Hey everyone, welcome to your daily Reiki session. Okay, today we are going to heal evil eye projection. Okay, if you haven't given consent, I ask that you give consent now. Holy Spirit fire, in crystalline Christed white light, Lemurian, Silurian, Palladian, Anturian, and Andromedian councils present with the King Yeshua of the highest white light order of the Most High God. This frequency is 5D template coded specifically for your activation. Okay, please sit back comfortably or in a lying position. Okay, close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Hold or visualize black tourmaline. Feel its grounding protective energy. Visualize it forming in a strong reflective shield of deep black light around your aura. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Black tourmaline, repel all evil eye, jealousy, and negative projections. They bounce off my shield and return harmless. I am shielded by God's divine armor. I walk in safety and strength. Breathe in white light and exhale and feel the repulsion. Your field is impenetrable. Rest in its protection for several breaths. Now bring smoky quartz into your awareness or hold it over your solar plexus. Visualize it drawing in any lingering negativity as a smoky vortex, then transmuting it into golden blessings. The Lord is faithful and He will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. Smoky quartz absorb and transmutes all evil remnants into blessings, light, and abundance. What is meant for harm now becomes good. I am blessed and highly favored. God turns every curse into a blessing for our highest good. Now feel warmth and lightness filling you. Inhale blessings and exhale the last traces of heaviness. Now visualize 2 selenite wands, sweeping them slowly around your body, front to back, top to bottom. See trails of bright white light purifying and sealing your aura. For He will command His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. Psalms 91:11. Selenite clear, cleanse, and purify my entire energy field, amplifying my protection and strengthening my light shield. My aura is now a fortress of divine light. I am cleansed, empowered, and sovereign. I am protected by heavenly hosts. My field radiates strength and peace. Feel the wands charging and sealing your energy with golden white light. Now affirm with me, I am safe, I am sovereign, I am blessed. Divine protection surrounds me always. Thank you, God, for your unfailing protection. Namaste.